If you want to insert SD card with adapter to your Samsung Galaxy A36, so first of all, make sure that you have a compatible adapter with a USB-C type. With the USB Type-C. Now insert your SD card into your adapter, just like this. And let's grab our phone, find our charging port, there it is, and insert our adapter. Perfect. Now let's open up my files and let's check whether our adapter is detected, and yes, it is. It's detected as a USB storage one, so we can see some files around here and everything is good. Okay, so in order to move any kind of file, right, it's quite easy to do. So first we'll locate any file. For example, some image. Let's move this image. So hold your finger on it, press move, and now select your folder where you want to move it. For example, we want to move it to USB storage 1, and we want to move it in this particular folder. Press move here, and move completed. Now we can press move show in folder, and we can find our file right here. When you're done and you want to unmount your USB storage, you are to tap here, tap on this 3 dots and press unmount. Now you can safely take it out. And basically that's it. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.